म्हणजे ताजी रिकरिंग फी हाजेर केल्ली आसा, पण वॉट ही सेज हॅज अ मिनींग, and that is why in the rules which are being formulated we are defining fees based on the size. समजा इतले पर्यंत कॅपॅसिटी आसा वाडयता, पण ते रुल्सान येवचे पडटले. ह्या पर्यंत हांव काय करूंक शकना का?
स्पीकर सर, सोगली बोटिंग 100 कोटी आहा. डेल्टिन रॉयलाक मायज ना. सोगली बोटिंग 150.
I made it to फुडले ऐकले ना म्हणजे.
फुडले ऐकले ना. That is a bigger ship.
Speaker sir, next statement he did not see. The rules as of now does not differentiate between two sides of vessels. But ऐक मरे, ऐकत ना. But the rules which are being formulated, and probably any moment they can be finalized because they are already on the final stage of approval. त्या rulan भितर we are indicating charges based on the size of the vessel. That means if certain vessel has 100 tables, then it will be charged a particular level, and if it has more tables, it will be charged more.
आणि कॅसिनो हाडो सोदता कितें? आनी रूल कित्याक गो? यो क्लोजिंग कॅसिनो म्हणनी. स्पीकर सर, तो कॅसिनो क्लोज करता म्हणनी आनी रूल आनी कित्याक गो? कॅसिनो
क्लोज करता म्हणून तुका ना मांडवीच्या भायर काडटा म्हणला.
श्री विजय सरदेसाय, लास्ट सप्लिमेंट.
Speaker sir, the Goa Daman and Diu Public Gambling Act 1976 is silent on the size of the vessel as far as offshore casinos is concerned. Chief Minister has just said. So this government may not be liable for blame as for an act of commission, but certainly is liable for blame for an act of omission. The act of omission is that this is a serious loophole, that a small ship is being replaced by a big ship. Now what steps the government contemplates to take to plug this loophole in the Gambling Act, especially with regard to, since the Chief Minister himself professes that he is against promoting gambling.
Speaker sir, जेन्ना स्मॉल शिप दिल्ली पळय तेन्ना ताजेर बरोवन ना ती स्मॉल शिप म्हणून, म्हणजे तेन्नाय दिता आसतना 100 जांकां दिल्ले पळय ते 100 जाणांचे आकार वेगवेगळे आहा. सगळ्यांक धाकटी बोट लिलाची आशिल्ली, तातूंत भितर कितें ते 150 काय कितें तरी जाताली. सगळ्यांक व्हडली बोट म्हाका दिसता ती बोआ सॉर्ट नाल्यार ही आसत कॅसिनो रॉयल आसत त्या वेळार दिल्ले त्या वेळार. तातूंत भितर 400 450 जाताले. हातूंत कितें तरी म्हाका दिसता 800 बी जाता. आय डोंट नो द एक्झॅक्ट सायज, but it was not defined. So we are introducing rules which are in final stage. These rules will make differentiation between the two types of vessel based on the size and number of playing tables. दुसरी गजाल अशी आहा की आमी कॅसिनोक 2 वर्सां भितर मांडवीच्या भायर काडटा, म्हणजे फुडल्या वर्साचे सोंपता. They will have to go out of Mandavi in the next year itself. Otherwise this license will not be renewed. And these other two boats will be asked to move out of Mandavi before 28th of August 2015. No, not 16.
ना तू आज आन्सर दिला म्हाका 2016 म्हणून.
No.
Next question.
That interpretation is wrongly done.
ना 2 वर्सां from 2014 म्हणून.
No. It's not 2 years from that. It is 2 years from his renewal. But whose renewal is up to March 2014. त्यामुळे तांचे रिन्युअल 28 सप्टेंबर आसा. 28 सप्टेंबर 2015 ह्यो बोटी भायर वतल्यो. 28 आनी 12 तारीख कितें तरी.
फुडलो प्रश्न फुडलो प्रश्न ना. प्लीज सीट.
भरपूर आसा.
प्लीज सीट. फुडलो प्रश्न विजय सरदेसाय.
बिकॉज सर हांव काजिनोचेरूच विचारपाचो आशिल्लो, पण सिन्स मच ऑफ इट हॅज बीन टॉक्ड अबाउट हियर ओनली.
कित्याचेर विचारपाचो आशिल्लो तें नाका, विचारात खंयचो तो.
आता हांव विचारता क्वेश्चन 3C.
उत्तर छापील प्रमाणे.
स्पीकर सर, मास्क म्हणटा ते कार्नवालाच्या टायमार घालतात. ह्या दिसांनी गोंयांत मास्क पयलींच आयल्या. Masked men have gone and vandalized the night club. The night club happens to be featured in the National Geographic magazine and telecast worldwide. It's a picturesque location. Perhaps one of the best, biggest sculpted woman in the world has been vandalized. Just like तो दामियानचो बुद्ध आहा ताचें नाकूच वडयलें तालिबानान, ते भशेन हे सरकाराचे कारकिर्दीन हे असल्यो खबऱ्यो जातात. आगशे स्पीकर सर, मास्क लोक वचून इश्कोलां बंद करून भुरग्यांक टॉयलेटान लॉक करून घालतात. आतां this is a serious issue where masked people have come out. Today the Libyan president has been kidnapped by masked gunmen. So हांव विचारूंक सोदतां की सरकारान एक्चुअली हें जें कितें म्हणलां की वी आर टॉक ऑफ विजील एंड पेट्रोलिंग जें म्हाका आन्सरान दिलां, दिस एपियर्स टू बी शियर रबीश. कित्याक स्पीकर सर, थंय पुलीस ऑफिसर जे कोण हें जेन्ना वेंडलायज जालें, पुलीस ऑफिसर पावचे पयलीं आमदार थंय मायकल लोबो पाविल्लो. सो पुलीस ऑफिसर करता कितें? 3 वरांनी पुलीस ऑफिसर जर थंय पावता, दॅट मिन्स युअर डिपार्टमेंट हॅज फेल्ड एंटायरली. वॉट एक्शन एक्चुअली हॅव यू टेकन? हू आर द सस्पेक्ट्स? Have you traced their call details? What do you have on them?
स्पीकर सर, हो विषय सरकारान बरोच सिरियसली घेतलेलो आहा. सध्या डॉमिनिक सन ऑफ रेजिनाल्डो नाझारेथ, गांवचे भाट मेडशे, जयेश चंद्रकांत चोडणकर, कालिका टेम्पल भाटी शिवोली, रुपेश बाबी गडेकार नियर गणपती टेम्पल खोर्ली म्हापसा, उमेश कोटी पुजारी, गोवनचे भाट मेडशे तिसवाडी मँगलोरचो तो रहिवासी, सद्याचो एड्रेस हांगाचो आहा. हे 4 जाण अंडर ज्युडिशियल कस्टडी आहा. ती इन्सिडंट जाल्या पासून 2 दिसां भितर तांकां अरेस्ट केल्ले एंड दे हॅव बीन सेंट टू ज्युडिशियल कस्टडी. दे हॅव नॉट बीन रिलीज. देर आर 4 people who are absconding. One is Genito Vincent Cardozo, 854 Maddir, Santa Cruz, Tiswadi, Goa. He is absconding from that day. Sandeep Krishna Pujari, Santa Cruz, presently residing behind GMC Bambole, is absconding. Rohan Ramesh Vaingankar, Augustine near St. Cruz Church, Santa Cruz, is absconding. Ritesh Venkatesh Nagvekar, Sautawado, Kolungut, is absconding. आमी JFC अरेस्ट वॉरंट मूव केल्ले. JFC म्हणटा अरेस्ट वॉरंट कित्याक जाय काय म्हणून. तातलो पयलो जेनिटो आहा पळय, ताका NSAचेर भितर उडयल्लो. NSAचेर ताका कोर्टान सोडलो. ताणें आतां मागीर हातून भाग घेतला. आतां तो सद्या एब्सकॉन्डिंग आसा. हे 4 जाणांचेर अरेस्ट वॉरंट मागल्यार JMFC आमकां सांगता अरेस्ट वॉरंट कित्याक जाय काय म्हणून. सो वी आर मुवींग टू द हायकोर्ट नाव. ज्युडिशियल फोरम्स ऑल्सो नीड टू बी स्लायटली टायट ऑन दीस. आमकां अशें लक्षांत आयलां, कोणे तरी प्रश्न विचारला, एंटिसिपेटरी बेल दिल्या, पळया तुमीच काडून. जो जो प्रत्येकाक एंटिसिपेटरी बेल मेळटा. एंटिसिपेटरी बेल दिवपाची गरजूच नासता. बरें, वी डोंट अरेस्ट पीपल विथआउट रिजन. नाव दीज 4 people वी आर मुवींग टू द हायकोर्ट against the JMFC order, which government does not agree. The JMFC has been too easy on the criminals. One of them was NSA detinue. I assure you that this case is being monitored by me personally, and I will see that this kind of thing does not happen. I don't appreciate mask घालून कोण हाज्या फुडें दिसत जाल्यार ताका आमी लायतात सेक्शनां.
मास्क म्हणटा तो कार्निवालाक आसता.
एक दीस कार्निवाल सोडून कोण घालीत जाल्यार.
स्पीकर सर, एक प्रश्न आहा. चीफ मिनिस्टरान आतां म्हणलां की ज्युडिशियल सॉफ्टनिंग जाता म्हणून केसीन. म्हजो प्रश्न आहा, फास्ट ट्रॅक कोर्ट जो आज हांगा रेप जाली खंयची निर्भय केस, तसो फास्ट ट्रॅक कोर्ट तो एक मॅटरान यूज करतलो? बिकॉज यू युअरसेल्फ इज सेइंग JMFC इज गोइंग सॉफ्ट. Incident has happened on 22nd of 8. आता 2 महिने जावपा आयले.
4 जाण अजूनही भितर आसा
ना. ते भितर आसूं, एब्सकॉन्डिंग जे कोण आहा तांचे कितें करता तूं?
ते प्रॉपर्टी अटॅच करता. वी आर ट्रायिंग टू ट्रेस. आय कांट गिव यू ऑल द.
नो आय डोंट वांट
वन ऑफ द हांव सांगलें NSA डेटिन्यू आशिल्लो तो. हो पळय आसा पयलो जेनिटो. He was detained under NSA. He was released by the court order. He had a courage of taking press conference after that. And because he was released, now he got indulged in this activity. सगळी इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन चालू असल्यामुळे सगळे हांव गजाली आतां सांगूंक शकना.
फास्ट ट्रॅक कोर्ट करतलो काय म्हणटा?
कोर्ट हो नंतरचो विशय. पयली आतां ट्रॅक डावन करूंक जाय हांचेर.
प्रिवेलिंग ज्युडिशियल मेकॅनिझम इज इनसफिशियंट अकॉर्डिंग टू यू युअरसेल्फ.
No, it is institutionalized crime in I'm not. See, Speaker sir, हांवें क्लियर सांगला JMFCच्या डिसिजना बरोबर we don't agree, because JMFC has not taken into consideration that when we are asking for non-bailable warrant, once we get that warrant, we move for even attachment of property. आता मडगांवचो पळय कोण NSAचेर धरलेलो ताकाय हायकोर्टान असोच बेल दिवन सोडलो. NSAचेर मागीर धरून व्हरता कितें? NSA कमिटी हॅज कन्फर्म द detention, but he was released on bail until the matter is being heard.
Sir, fast
गुंडागिरी करतले.
फास्ट ट्रॅक कोर्ट
गुंडागिरी करतले.
prevailing judicial, I am not blaming the Chief Minister on this, but system also ha ki गोंयचे लोक आज unsafe आहात. एक crime जाता 22 तारखेक 22/8 आता
चौक जाण भितर आहा म्हणून सांगले मरे
ना फाल्यां कोण हांव उलयता म्हजेर मास्क मनीस येवन तकली फोडटलो
चौक जाण
हाजे मायकल लोबोची फोडटलो कितें करता ताजेर
स्पीकर सर चौक जाण भितर आसात
चौक जाण भितर असो फायदो ना भायर आहा तांचे उलय
सॉरी 5 जाण पांचवो परिमल गुरुदास पंडित पिलनकर लेन अंसाबाट हो पांचवो आहा तो चुकून दुसऱ्या पानार आशिल्लो म्हणून वाचता आसतना रावून गेलो पण 5 जाण भितर आसात चौग जाणांचेर नॉन बेलेबल वॉरंट मागल्यार ते वॉरंट रिफ्यूज जाला म्हणून आमी आतां हायकोर्टान गेल्या ते चौग जाण मेळटकूच ती क्रॅक केस जावन तो आतां फास्ट ट्रॅकाचेर हांगता पळय दॅट इज अ अदर इशू I have not commented on the court. I have said that JMFC च्या decision above we don't agree.
Speaker sir, since this Porvorim police have failed to arrest the remaining accused, will the Chief Minister consider giving this case to crime branch because this is a very serious matter since there could be another angle who is behind this, whether these people were only used or what. Proper investigation needs to be done. Whether the Chief Minister will consider giving this case to crime branch?
It is already with the direct under the control of SP. We have formed investigation team under Superintendent of Police. She is investigating this directly under the control of that DIU. District investigating team is verifying this. There are a lot of involvement. I will not discuss everything because the investigation is on, but the relevant material has been given and I can assure that government will leave no stone unturned in order to investigate however big the person may be. We will go for the arrest after we collect proper evidence. 4 are absconding, so they can be arrested only when they are found. We are tracking them down. I am not giving you the last about 1 month back, one of them was found in Chennai, tracking to the phone number, but they might have changed the phones. So you can't guarantee that they are at particular place.
Because sir, I want to make 2 points. One, all 29 accused, kitle absconding ahaite. Isn't it a shame for the Home Department and the Police Department that so many people in the state of Goa? And second question, it could be that the case has not been presented to JMFC well. It could be the fault of the police department also. Don't say that we have applied, we have for a non-bailable warrant and not given because the accused, it is a clear-cut case. Accused are there. It's a clear-cut case. Any prosecution will tell you, 1 second, Chief Minister, 1 second. Je kon accused hai, and court non-bailable dina. It looks like the case has not gone up well to the JMFC. JMFC cannot refuse. And 29 people are absconding in the state for such a long time. Is it not a mockery of the law and the Home Department and the Police Department? Answer this question to me. Because it is a clear-cut case.
Speaker sir, पहिली म्हणजे 29 जाण इन्वॉल्व जरी असले जाल्यार तातले भितरले 5 जाणांक अरेस्ट केले आनी 4 जाण मेन जाय बाकीचे आशिल्ले ते सगळे ताचे बारीक बारीक तांचे सगळ्यांची नांवां आयडेंटिफाय जावची पडटली जाय नंतरूच तांकां अरेस्ट करूंक मेळटले हे 4 जाण धरले की ते आयडेंटिफाय जातले त्यामुळे सध्या आमी सोदतात ते पयली 4 जाणांक जे मेन एक्यूज आहा ते आनी ताणें जें सांगलें JMFC केस प्रेजेंट जावन ना हांव नकळो JMFC फाटल्या दिसांनी एक तुमी हें केलां आसत मिनिस्टराच्या बॉडीगार्डान कोणाचेर मारले बिल्ले म्हणून कितें आयली बातमी JMFCन ताका 14 दीस रिमांडाक धाडलो दुसऱ्या दिसा तो बेलीक गेलो हाजे कडेन खंयच्या सेशन कोर्टान इमिजिएटली सोडलो जर प्रत्येक कोर्ट परफेक्ट आसता जाल्यार मागीर वयले कोर्ट कित्याक जाय वयले कोर्ट सकयल्या कोर्टान कितें चुकलां म्हणून वयले कोर्ट जाय आसता दॅट इज वाय आय एम सेयिंग वी डोंट एग्री विथ JMFC आय हॅव नॉट गॉन इनटू द I have not given any reason for JMFC not considering. I said we don't agree with him. That's why we have gone to the higher court in appeal.
Because sir, it could be that prosecution also is communal. You have to see all this.
See this, that will be decided by the courts.
Decided, because it is happening.
It
and
this is
a case. This is a fit case where it could be.
Speaker sir, I know a case in Madgaon where the officer did the same thing. He filed a case and said we don't have any say and gave anticipatory bail.
फुडलो प्रश्न नरेश सावळ